worked really hard on that painting all day. I'm so sad.
Seeing as how there's a broken seashell in the same spot, the culprit must have left it here and took Coco's seashell instead.
But why would someone want to switch seashells like that?
Maybe the culprit really liked Coco's painting and wanted to keep it. I do have a natural talent for painting, but you still don't take someone's art without asking first.
Hold on! The culprit left a clue!
Footprints?
That's it. The culprit must have paint on his feet for sure.
So then, all we have to do is follow each of the footprint tracks.
Sounds good. Move out, detectives!
Webby! Webby!
Red Nose is losing his touch. It'll take them all day to follow every one of those tracks. We're going to investigate this case with our brains.
That's right, because we're smart!
If we use our heads, we can figure out the culprit's character. Seeing as how the culprit took Coco's seashell with her painting on it, the critter must be someone who likes to collect beautiful works of art.
Ribby!
Therefore, we just have to paint some nice pictures on seashells and wait for the culprit to come to us.
You're the best!
A flock of seagulls!
I don't see any seagull with paint on its feet.
And judging from the footprints, it's not a seagull, it's a bigger bird. Hey, look, guys, there's a bird with paint on his feet.
That's our guy. Let's go. Fess up. You're the one that took Coco's seashell, aren't you?
Take a seashell? Why? Seashells are too hard for me to eat.
But you have paint on your feet. That proves you did it.
I got this paint on me while I was looking for some shade. How dare you accuse me? You're asking for a pecking.
Come on. Let's follow the next set of footprints, you guys.
The footprints are leading this way.
Look, guys, it has paint all over its feet.
Fess up. Are you the culprit that took Coco's seashell?
Seashell? Why would I need a seashell when I already have a strong shell of my own? I got paint on me while I was passing by. Now leave me alone, or I'll claw ya!
We're going!
Now let's start where did Bubba and Molly go? I see they dived straight into the water to investigate. So proud. That's my team for ya.
The only things moving in the water were fish.
None of the rocks were budging.
We decided that Pete must have been
mistaken and went through with our plan. Unfortunately, we didn't see any moving rocks.
They move around quite a bit, so I'm sure they're hard to find. All right, I'll go look for them this time.
The coast is clear.
Who says you need a fishing rod to catch fish? Bubba!
Let's cook them over a fire!
I was keeping an eye out for even the slightest movement. I found it. My eyes weren't playing tricks on me. It definitely didn't have any legs. But the rock moved on its own. I found it!
Oh no, we're caught.
We haven't solved our case yet. And you're here leisurely cooking up some fish, huh?
You got it wrong. We were looking for the rocks, too.
Where are you moving rocks? Come out, wherever you are.
They're not here. They're in the water down here.
It's moving!
What? Another moving rock?
The leaf is moving.
It's probably just a tadpole carrying a leaf.
No, it's not. There isn't a tadpole in sight.
This is crazy. Now a leaf is moving on its own?
Hold on. So rocks are moving on their own?
And leaves are moving on their own too?
If this keeps up, will big boulders start moving on their own?
What if trees start moving?
What if mountains move?
I can smell a case. This could turn into a huge fight. Hey, calm down, you two.
Hey, Pete, everyone's too excited.
Oh, man, is there a way to calm them down?
Can? Wait, I think I know how to end this. We need to get the upset insects to relax. I'll use the fragrance cannon. Shark cannon! Fragrance cannon, fire!
What is that smell?
Oh, that smells good.
Why was I fighting anyway? I feel so calm. I don't feel so angry now.
Sherry really did it. I knew her plan would work.
That wasn't half bad.
Juliet! Oh no! Why would you do this? Somebody please save Juliet! Somebody help! Juliet? Why, Juliet? Why in the world did you do that?
I couldn't stand to see you and Tybalt fight, so I chose to pretend to be dead.
So that's what really happened. I was so shocked. I thought something terrible happened to you.
But wait, where's Tybalt?
Juliet, I'm safe too.
What a relief.
Juliet, I'm sorry. I think I went too far to protect you. Romeo, I'm sorry too.
Please don't fight each other again.
When have the two of us ever fought? Right, Romeo?
Of course you're right, Tybalt.
Wait a sec. Why do stag beetles and rhinoceros beetles keep fighting anyway?
It's all because of the sap that comes out of my body. Stag beetles and rhinoceros beetles both feed on sap, and because they both need it, they fight over it.
Check it out! It's a fight that'll last generations! It's all about the sap! 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 We can't live without sap! Sap over the sap! That's what's sap!
Sap over here, sap over there. Stop with the fighting!
Stop with the fighting! We can share sap! We can share sap!
What do we do now?
We have to catch the nasty culprit that did this to Pete!
You're right. We'll be okay if we stick together.
Who goes there?
Heave ho! Heave ho!
Freeze or else!
Who are you to bark orders at me?
You attacked our friend Pete, didn't you? Yup!
How dare you threaten me? I'm gonna make you pay!
Watch out!
Captain!
Now the mystery is solved!
Run for your lives!
The culprit was a beetle called the Bombardier beetle. The dead insects were disappearing because it was eating all of them. Because it likes to eat dead insects, it's been nicknamed the janitor of the forest. The Bombardier beetle has a gland that makes toxic gas. At lightning speed, it can blast out toxic gas that's 100 degrees Celsius hot. So if you run into one, it's a good idea to leave it alone. That's why you shouldn't mess with me.
Am I shaking right now?
It came out of this hole. Molly, secure the scene.
Got it!
The ant was skinny, as if the life was sucked out of it. And there was the mysterious hole that the ant came out of. This is definitely the ant trap we've been looking for. I wonder what's inside the hole.
Oh no, maybe! There's a blood-sucking monster inside waiting to eat us!
Now that's just silly.
No, it isn't!
Yes, it is.
Quiet! We must get this critter out, but how will we lure him outside?
Why, you?
Caught another one. Huh, you're not an ant.
I knew it! So it was you who dug this trap to catch ants.
That's right, it was me.
After investigating, we discovered the culprit was an ant-lion larva.
There's no other insect that can dig a trap like me. You wanna see? Now, all I have to do is wait. You can't escape!
The ant-lion larva sucked the fluids out of the ant. Then it tossed its empty shell outside. About a year later, the ant-lion larva made a round cocoon of sand and became a pupa. After 2 weeks, it transformed into an adult antlion and flew off, high into the sky. There used to be caterpillars on this tree. Baba, I smell a caterpillar under these leaves.
Just leave it to me.
Oh, hold on, Baba. A caterpillar.
But it's all dark and dingy. Like a dead tree branch. So depressing.
A horror scene. The caterpillar that had vanished was found under a pile of leaves in the most gruesome state. Who could have done this?
Pete! The butterfly!
What? And then the butterfly. It was hanging upside down, dry as a dead leaf in autumn. Wait, do we have a serial insect murder case on our hands? What's that? Someone's watching us. Who's there? Ah! I swear there was someone there.
Who? Oh yeah, Pete! Over there, I found ladybugs! Inside that hole there!
A group of ladybugs found gruesomely murdered. What in the world is going on in this forest? There's someone there! Baba, catch him!
I'm on it!
Is he here? Where is he? Did you catch him?
He vanished into thin air! He's a speedy little critter!
A mosquito!
A mosquito in winter?
I'm not a mosquito.
Oh, you're not? Huh. Of course you're not. You're not just a mosquito. You're a bloodthirsty, blood-sucking mosquito. Fess up. You killed the insects by sucking their blood, didn't you? You did, huh? Where did he go? How did he?
Hop on! Why, you insect murderer! You insecticide! Stop right there!
The mystery is solved.